Southern Alberta was hit by a dangerous wave of severe thunderstorms on the 11th of August, 2026, as powerful storms developed rapidly and turned calm conditions into a threatening weather outbreak. The storms brought intense lightning, thunder, heavy rain, powerful winds, and destructive hail. In Didsbury, residents watched conditions change within minutes as wind-driven hail moved into town. Trees were left with shredded leaves, while golf ball-sized hail reportedly damaged vehicles and buildings. Further south, the threat became even more serious. A red severe thunderstorm warning was issued for Coaldale as a powerful storm moved southeast toward Chin, Barnwell, and Wrentham. Forecasters warned of baseball-sized hail, or larger, damaging winds and torrential rain. Reports of flash flooding also emerged as intense rainfall overwhelmed parts of the area. The storm threat stretched across southern Alberta. Large hail was reported near Coaldale, Vulcan, Claresholm, Cayley, Wrentham, and Stavely, ranging from loony and toonie-sized stones to golf ball and potentially tennis ball-sized hail.
It's been about 5 minutes.
Claresholm was placed under a red severe thunderstorm warning as another powerful storm tracked eastward from Willow Creek Provincial Park towards Stavely, Grantham, and nearby communities. Residents were urged to seek shelter as the storm threatened destructive hail, damaging winds, and heavy rain.
Jesus Christ, I've never seen hail that big before.
Environment Canada warned that some storms could produce wind gusts approaching 100 kilometers per hour, while localized flooding remained a concern. Supercell thunderstorms also carried a risk of isolated tornado development.
Oh my God!
Across Didsbury and other communities, residents captured dramatic footage as hail, violent winds, and lightning swept through neighborhoods. What began as an ordinary summer evening quickly became a dangerous, severe weather event. The outbreak shows how quickly Alberta's summer storms can intensify, making severe weather warnings essential for residents across the region.